cats. So today I'm gonna show you my Ipsy and GLossybox. Woo! So I'm gonna start with the Ipsy. I'm wearing my St. Patrick's Day look, which was in a earlier collab that I did with the Geeks and Beauties that you should have already seen. If you haven't, you should go see that. So, I've got this mask, which I actually had ordered with my Ipsy points or whatever you call them. So I'm excited about that. Roses are red, violets are blue, fusion sheet mask. The benefits of 2 masks in 1. And it looks like my daughter's going to join us just a little bit.
Not here.
Okay. So I got those. Plus I got the Goodnight PM masks.
Is this from Ipsy?
Yep. Skin feeling stressed from a long day? Say goodbye to rough and dry skin. End your night with it. What are you just doing?
I was trying to get comfortable.
End your night with a rejuvenating PM mask to nourish and revitalize your skin overnight. She already opened her Ipsy. And she showed me everything. And of course, here's the bag. And they give you, leave that alone. And they give you some markers so that you can color the bag.
You got different colors than me.
Well, you can use these ones too. Oh my goodness. So, I also got this really cool brush, which I'm excited about because I wanted more fan brushes. Oh my goodness. No, she's stealing like everything. She's taking everything.
No,
this is like a mermaid brush.
For you.
This is from Moda. Oh, Moda's a very good company too. I like their brushes. Oh my goodness. Didn't want to come out. La 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 la. Nice and soft. So put that over here. And okay, she's gonna hand me stuff. This is a Winky Lux. I like Winky Lux. I have one of their eyeshadow palettes. It's really cool. Here's the box. She wants me to show you the box.
Look at that pretty box.
It's a pretty box. And then there's this little pretty packaging.
It just like covers.
And then we got this pretty powder. I assume it's a highlighter. It says...
Is it the highlight of your day?
Holographic highlighter, yes. It's a highlighter. So, pretty. It's just... You can see it there. And then we'll just give it a little swipe. Very pretty. It is holographic. It's like a pink and white holographic, I would say. Okay.
Then get some night cream.
And Clark's Botanicals Retinol Rescue Overnight Cream. It doesn't have that much scent to it though. Just a little bit.
You're crazy. I can smell it. Oh. And you got the same thing as me here.
It is. So, it doesn't want to focus on it at all. There it goes.
It's focused.
Yeah, it took a minute though. And then we got, the mascara. Lash Alert mascara from Ico, London. It's weird. The packaging's kind of odd. Let's see. I'm always getting mascara samples. Oh.
That looks weird.
It's weird. We'll see how it works though. I will try it out. And that's everything in my Ipsy?
Yeah.
Wait, where's the little thingy? Little card. I like to show them the card. So,
oh wow, that focused really fast.
Yeah, that did. Because my face was hidden. It's my face that makes it unfocused. So.
Wow. Kind of sounds harsh.
I'm being harsh to my face. Okay. So now it's time for GLossybox.
Yes.
There we go. And I have no idea what's in here whatsoever.
I'm curious because I get the box after.
Yeah, I give her the box usually. Thanks.
What? What do you expect me to do with it?
I don't know, put it on the table behind us or something. GLossybox True Beauty is within you.
I failed.
I know. So we've got our little thing. Do one.
It's like you're opening a present.
Yes. The one is the Cover FX Perfect Pencil Concealer. So I can get open. So it is in the color N Light. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it there. That's good. That works. That's a good color, I think, for a concealer pencil. I usually use concealer pencils to like sort of like clean up my eyes if I need to. So, do you like my eye look today? All the green?
Yeah.
For St. Patrick's? Anyways, I'm being weird. Alright. Two. Oh, that's nice, dear. You're a delightful child. 2 is the Figs and Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD and Matte Veil. So this is a primer, which I'm excited about because I only have like 2 primers, I think, right now. Not that you really need more than 2 primers, but I like to have choices. So it's like pink. I don't know if you can really see it on there because it's like there. Yeah, you can see it. It's right here. So it's very light. It's not very thick or heavy. So we'll see how it works. I usually like really silicone based ones. I don't think there's silicone in this. It doesn't feel like it. Let me take a look. Yeah, the first ingredient is water, and then corn seed flour, tapioca starch. Yeah, I don't see any silicone, so this is like a water-based one. So we'll see what I think of it. 3 is Form Beauty Multitask 3-in-1 Leave-In Lotion. This is for your hair. So it's a hair perfector that detangles, softens, and refreshes your look. Well, we all know where this is going.
What?
You have a new hair detangler.
Oh, lovely.
It's a multitask 3-in-1 leave-in lotion. It's for strengthening your strands against breakage. It's a nutritive mist and it detangles. So have fun with that. I always give her all the hair stuff because I don't really. It's called a 3-in-1 leave-in lotion. So it's like a leave-in kind of hair conditioner type thing.
Okay.
Okay. Next is 4. That's the Jumbo Eye Pencil from Beauty. It's French. It's from Paris. Okay. So this is a Jumbo Eye Pencil. The lighting.
Oh, lovely.
So you can see that. It's like a coppery kind of color.
Yeah.
So pop that in there. Next is some nail polish from Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Lacquer. It is in the color I'm Charmed. It's funny because we've been watching Charmed. What do you think? It's like a.
Well, we share.
It's like a. It's a nude nail polish.
It looks pink to me.
And last is a glossy fave. They're giving us an extra because usually you only get 5. This is the Unami Milk Cleanser. So it doesn't really tell us anything about it. It just says plus glossy fave and it says products will vary. So it is Illuminate Milk Cleanser, gentle cleansing milk formulated with nourishing natural oils that purify and protects the skin by removing impurities as well as makeup, leaving it soft. So it's a cleanser. It smells nice. It's not like a strong scent. It's very light.
It smells like lotion.
So it does smell like kind of like a lotion.
Or sunscreen.
So application, apply morning and evening with a gentle massage, and then rinse thoroughly with water. So I'm gonna try and use this tonight and see how it goes. So that is everything. Here's your box. Her box.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's all the things I got in my Ipsy and GLossybox. As you know, I didn't expect to get a GLossybox. I thought I canceled it, but maybe I didn't.
You canceled GLossybox?
Yeah, well, yeah, because you know we're kind of low on cash.
Oh, that's why.
But we have.
I thought you love GLossybox.
We've actually been kind of okay this month, so
by luck.
Yeah, we'll see what happens next month. But yeah, so I had one still this month. So yay. Yeah, I kept the Ipsies for each of us, and I thought I canceled the GLossybox, but
she's never gonna
maybe
cancel the Ipsies.
No, they're really inexpensive. I like getting them. And
probably when I move out, you're still gonna get.
It's very possible that I will still get her an Ipsy.
Because then
it's only $10.
You'll probably call me and be like, hey, your Ipsy came here. You should totally do a video with me.
I'm always trying to get her to do videos with me, and she's just like rolling her eyes at me.
Okay, here's the deal. The only way I'll come back is if you make dinner.
I make dinner almost every night.
I know, but I'm saying when I move out.
Oh, so I have to make dinner that night, and you'll come back and do a film with me?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm probably going to make dinner for you.
I'm probably going to visit you every day, actually.
Well, I ain't making dinner for you every day after you move out. That's not going to happen.
No.
So.
I'm going to visit you live. And help out around the house.
I'll probably live in a smaller place all by myself. I'll be a little old lady by myself.
I'll take care of you.
I'll be like, Bianca, I can't do nothing. I'm going to put my makeup on.
Makeup for me.
I got my Ipsy bag and I'm 90 years old. I'm still getting Ipsy. I will too. If I'm 90 and still alive, I will still be getting Ipsy. I will still be putting makeup on. I will put whatever crazy ass makeup with it at. I want to. I don't care. I mean, if you're 90, who cares what kind of makeup you're wearing? Have fun with it. Look like a clown. Who cares? Do what you want. Right? She's just like, okay, Mom.
No, I'm great.
You're a weirdo, Mom. It's okay.
I guess she does that.
Many things. Many, many things. Alright. So.
The other thing, Ipsy has really nice bags.
Yes, they do. I don't always like them, but I like a lot of them. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I can't do this seriously and see your face back there making faces at me. And hit that bell if you want notifications. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and what's the other one? Twitter. I can't even think straight. Like, what's the other one? And Twitter. I used to be on Snapchat. I'm actually not on Snapchat at all anymore because I don't like the new Snapchat. And until they change it back, that's it. Who is this creepy person looking at me? You're so creepy. You should be in horror movies.
I can't do that noise I used to do.
What, like the grunge noise? My lips are green too, so that makes it even creepier.
Wow, you didn't even blink. Okay there, Mom?
Bye, kitty cats.